Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to duplicate pages in a PDF on reMarkable. I'll use our reMarkable all-in-one planner as an example, which is a PDF. Let's say I want to duplicate the January month page. Tap the 4 little squares icon to open Page Overview. You'll see a blue line under the page you are currently on. Now, long press the page thumbnail until the options appear at the top. Then tap Duplicate. The copy will appear right after the original. If you need to duplicate the same page multiple times, just tap the Duplicate button again. You can see now we have 4 copies of the January page. Next, let me show you how to duplicate multiple pages at once. Let's say I want to copy the year planner section. It has 4 pages from Q1 to Q4. I'll go to the Q1 page, tap the 4 little squares icon, then long press the Q1 page to enter selection mode. Now tap to select the remaining 3 pages and then tap Duplicate on the top bar. Go back to the planner and you'll see the 4 duplicated pages are placed right after the originals. If you have any question about duplicating pages on reMarkable, let me know in the comments. If you want more practical reMarkable tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.